While we arrived in our hotel, in our destination, that is Hawaii Caesar Palace, it's very beautiful with all of these colorful lights. Thank you. We are very, we are feeling welcome, and that is the hotel.
Welcome.
Very friendly people. That's why I love keep coming in Egypt because the people are super very friendly. Oh, and they have a Christmas tree, so beautiful. Hello, good evening. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Hello. And here we have a welcome hot towels.
Welcome. Yes.
Thank you. What about welcome drinks or something?
We come back now.
Oh, super. Thank you. Yeah, that is the hotel. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.